Alright, here's part 6 of the study guide. When we multiply and divide, we look for the number of significant figures or digits. So 8,738 has 4, 6,500 has 2, so the answer should only have 2 sig figs. So if I calculate this, my calculator tells me I get 56,797,000. That's a big number, but I should only have 2 sig figs. That 7 means I round up, so I will get 57 million. Remember to keep your zeros for place value, but no decimal. 0.909 has 3 sig figs, 1, 2, 3. 5.2 has 2, so the answer should only have 2. My calculator will tell me 4.7268, but I can only have 2 sig figs, so my final answer is 4.7. 32.1 has 3 sig figs, 0.98 has 2, so the answer should have only 2. So even though my calculator tells me 31.458, I'm only going to have 2 sig figs. The 4 means I'm keeping it the same, so 31. 6.2 has 2 sig figs, but 6.42 has 3, so the answer should have 2 sig figs. So my calculator tells me 39.804. I'm going to underline, I want 2 sig figs, 1, 2. Circle the 8, that means I round up. So what comes after 9 is 10. So I actually have to add 10 here. I'm going to make it 40. And that makes sense. 39 is close to 40, right? But I'm going to add a decimal to show that there are 2 sig figs. So it's 40 point. 0.004 only has 1 sig fig. This number, 4,789, has 4, but the answer should only have 1 sig fig. My calculator will tell me that this is 19.156. I need 1 sig fig, so just that. Circle the 9, that definitely means I round up. So what's after 1 is 2. And I better have my 0 there to make it 20, because what number is close to 19? 20. But there's no decimal because I can only have 1 sig fig. So 20, no decimal. 83.0 has 3 sig figs. 6.091 has 4, so the answer can have 3. My calculator tells me 505.553. I can have 3 sig figs. That 5, how about I round up? So I'm going to make this 506. Or if you put 505, I will still give you points.